Hi guys, this is DK here from Dkcleanings. Welcome back to my channel again today. So today we are going to learn how to clean properly your mobile screen, your laptop screen, keyboards, and your tablets. So here we go. So you can see we have a couple of things here around. So we have 3 microfiber, and this is just a water, and this one is methylated spirit. This is half water and half methylated spirit, and this one is hand wash. So we're gonna use little bit of hand wash in the clean water, and then we're gonna use one microfiber cloth. And make sure you need to rinse all the water. Make sure water is not dripping from this microfiber. Now we will be starting. This is a mobile phone, so we just wipe down the back and the front everywhere with this. And then there's another thing. We're gonna wipe down everything, top to bottom, back, everything with this. Make sure there is not much water, so otherwise if the water goes inside it can be danger to use. So you need to make sure you wash with this microfiber properly, and you don't make sure all the things are switched off. So this is a tablet. Wipe down. There's another tablet, because we always use soapy water. So scientists have found mobile phone carrying 10 times more bacteria than the most toilet seats. Mobile is covered in germs 25,000 bacteria per square meter. So that's why it's not about only cleaning, it's all about hygiene, and it's all about killing germs. So we need to sanitize. Now this is all clean, so make sure this is clean like 100%. So we're gonna use that I have already told you, this methylated spirit with half water. So we're gonna spray a little bit methylated spirit on this one, on microfiber, and then we're gonna wipe down mobile and everything. So, and from another part you can make it dry. So now this is 100% sanitized. And now again and we can use another part. You can, and then so make sure all the electronic devices are fully dried, and then that's it. So we're gonna do now for the laptop screen clean, and then the keyboard. So make sure before you get started cleaning this, make sure you clean this is the little brush. You clean the thing, and then make sure gently just tap it. And then we're gonna use again today soapy water. Make sure this is not lots of water, not dripping water, so we can clean every way. We can clean back, and then you can use this methylated spirit spray very little bit to just sanitize, and then you can dry it everything. You can use methylated spirit, but very less quantity, very less, so that you don't harm the screen. And especially for the screen. So we're gonna clean with the methylated spirit again. So the front yard, so make sure you don't push very hard. So, and then all the keypads very gently with the methylated spirit rag. If you have a small vacuum, you can use this vacuum to clean these small places. You can just vacuum, because this is not a very powerful, so you might be worth using it for these small tiny holes. So yeah, so make sure there is no any water or something, no any water left. So make sure this is all 100% dry and clean. Now this is the way to clean and sanitize your handheld mobile or laptop, keyboard, or your phone, handsets. So anything you have, so you can just sanitize with. Or for the mobile phone, you can just use a methylated spirit, no problem. For the laptops, you need to use your little bit soapy water, and then very less spray on the cloth, methylated spirit, so that this will all germs free and all sanitized properly. Thank you very much for watching my channel. See you later.